Day 45 from 0 to WordPress Hero end of the year challenge, and today we'll be talking about how to add and make use of slide elements on our WordPress website. So yesterday we talked about how to add or how to set a different page on our website to the home page. How to make any page on our website the home page of the website. So today we're talking about how to make use of the slide elements on our WordPress website. So the first thing you need to do is to identify the particular position where you want to use the slide. So identify the particular section where you would like to use the slide. So slide, you can use slide for different stuffs. I think I've talked about slide before, but that was for another purpose. But you can use slide for different purposes depending on what you want. So you can use it to showcase the services that you render. You can use it to showcase probably a photo of what you do. You can use it to showcase different things, just depending on what your website is all about. Alright, so the first thing is to identify the particular section where you want to add the slide element. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using this section, so I'll just create a new section. So another thing you need to know is that to use this slide you need Elementor Pro. Alright, to use this particular slide elements you need Elementor Pro. Probably one of these days I will show us how we can get most of the plugins, the pro version, how we can get them for free. So that will be for another video. So this is the slide elements. So all you just have to do is just drag it down to the particular section where you need it, and then as you can see, this particular slide always comes with an image background. Then it has title. It has title that you can add. Then you can add the title, then description, and also it comes with a click here button, so you can decide to put whatever you want there. But this is a call to action button, so you can decide to put whatever you want there. Alright, so this is why this slide is different from every other slide on the Elementor plugin. This one you will be able to add an image as the background, then you'll be able to add an header to the text, and then you'll be able to add a description, and also you'll be able to link that particular button on the section. So let's say for example I want to just talk about myself, Mike. So my name is Mike, and I am a professional WordPress websites developer. So basically this is just for the purpose of this tutorial. If I'm gonna do something like this, for sure this won't be the text that is going to be there. Alright, so I can use a check my services. Alright, so if I'm using check my services, that means the page that I'll be linking to this particular button will be the services page, service page. Alright, so I can add an image to the background. Let me just add something simple just for the purpose of this tutorial. Alright, so if you are working on it, you can make use of the what's it called, the picture or graphics that you need. Alright, so let me just look for something basic I can use here. Download. Okay, no, something simple. Okay, let me just use this just for the purpose of this tutorial, so I can process. Okay, let me use another picture. Let me just use this. Let's see if it works. But let me use this. So as you can see now, the picture is on the background. Alright, so you can you can adjust it to the to your preferred what's it called, to your preferred style. If this is what you want, you can leave it like that. And if that is not what you want, you can easily set it up to whatever you prefer to use. All right, so another thing you can do is so you can style the text. You can use custom styling, so you'll be able to move the text color and everything around. Do you understand? Well, I won't be going into that today. I don't want the video to be too long. So one important thing I want to do is I want to link this up. So I will just find the service page here, and I'll copy the link. So I'm just gonna link it up, and I'm good. So I'll publish it now, and then we can preview what we did. So basically you'll be able to add at least 3 sections. So when you are done, you can also add another element. So let's say you have more than 3 items that you want to showcase. You can continue to add it from here. All right, so you can also style the whole box, the whole container together. All right, so and then you can style them individually. You can style the title, the description, the button, and everything. I won't be getting into that today because I don't want the video to be too long, but these are stuff that I've talked about in my previous video. So if you have any problem doing this on your own, you should probably check out my previous videos. All right, so let's check out what we just did. So now, as you can see, it's still loading up. That's why the picture came. As you can see now, this is what I just did, but the most important aspect of this is the button. I want to see if the button is functioning. So as you can see now, the button is functioning. All right, so basically this is how to add a slide element to a WordPress website. So this will be the end of the video. If you have any topic you'd like me to talk about, please drop in the comment section, and if you find the video interesting, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.